Hi guys, welcome back to the Curl Factory. It's Raquel. Today's video is going to be a Shea Moisture video, and I'm going to be using products that are really popular from Shea Moisture, and I'm going to show you guys how I plan on using them during the cold months in South Africa. The two products that you're going to see me apply in the video, and I'm also going to share the results, I have with me popular products. This is the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Style Milk with Silk Protein and Neem Oil. It promises to moisturize and curl define thick curly hair. And I also have here the Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie. It also contains Silk Protein and Neem Oil. Promises to moisturize and curl define thick curly hair. I have it in my hair at the moment, and I used both of them, and the purpose of this video is to layer products to help keep your hair moisturized during the cold months in South Africa or wherever you are in the world. Personally, I've never cared for both of these products, and that's just the honest truth. I'm not a fan of this. It doesn't really give me curl definition. I've said this before, I like to use this as a moisturizer. I like to use this when I'm doing protective styles. The Curl and Style Milk in the past also never did anything for me. You've kind of never seen me use these two products on my channel. But I was then thinking, if we're going into colder months, what products come to mind for me to layer them together to really kind of, moisturize my hair, and also to use them to, keep the moisture in? And these two products came to mind. So I was like, the Curl and Style Milk, the Curl Enhancing Smoothie, let me put these together and see, do they hydrate my hair and do they keep the moisture in? For application, I always applied in sections. I applied the Curl and Style Milk first, and then I put the smoothie on top. My hair is soft. I do have a bit of curl definition. I don't really put it to the products, but more to the styler, because I don't think they give me personally much definition. But my hair is nice and soft, and I can say it worked. It worked during the colder months. I wouldn't use this during the hotter months. I think it would be a bit too much for me personally. But as I said, the purpose of this video was just to see, can I layer them and will they really hydrate my hair and keep it moisturized? The overall verdict, you might not need to use both, but for the video I thought, let me try both. I think I would refresh my hair with this in the morning. It was really hard. It's very thick. I think they need a new way to dispense this product. I might use this in the mornings. I think it would be a nice way to moisturize my hair. This is very thick. It's nice to use this underneath the gel. So I am going to play around with them. They've never been my favorite products, but I'm giving them a really good chance. And I'm going to play around with them, as I said, and see, how I enjoy them during the winter time. But so far, so good. My hair is feeling soft. We're going to wrap up the video. Thanks guys, I hope you enjoyed it. You saw the application, my results. My hair is soft, and I might give a bit of an update in another video, so stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you click the notification bell as well, and I'll see you again. Take care.